Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox the TX3 smart box. As you can see, we have this pretty simple smart box but beautiful with the theme, as you saw, a red theme in the top of the box. We have here the model TX3 Mini A. Let's go ahead, open up the box, see what we got. And as you can see, immediately it shows up the smart box wrapped up for protection. Let's take the wrap off and see what we got. So as you can see, the TX3 Mini is very small and portable. We have the Ethernet cable, HDMI power cable. In the back we have two USB ports and one SD card port. These ports are very useful in the future. As you can see, in the back we have the model, we have the MAC number, and that's pretty much it that we can see here or use in this smart box. Let's go ahead and see what we got in the box more. Underneath all of this we have other stuff. As you can see here in the package, we have some logos of the app that we can use. And as I said, underneath we have the power brick cable, HDMI, we have the user manual, and we have the controller as well. So this video will be short, just to show you some things about this smart box. Get familiar with it and see what we got. As you can see, we have the controller, very easy, very small, not too many buttons, so it's not confusing. You can see it's very small, couple buttons, so you know how to use it. And we have also the user manual, as I said before, to help us out connect all these wires, and if we have any trouble we can find the solution right here in this user manual. So it's very useful sometimes when we get confused about this smart box. So as I said, this video will be short and just to show you this smart box. So I don't think we have anything else to show you here. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and we will see you in the next video.